first pictures of the Prime Minister has come. This is his arrival to the national capital after cutting short his Saudi visit. We are also looking at the pictures of the NSA Ajit Doval also accompanying Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But Pradeep, the first pictures of the Prime Minister there, he is back in the national capital.
Yes, Prime Minister has cut down his visit because he was there for 2 days in Saudi Arabia. Yesterday, when he came to know about the incident, he was quite concerned. Immediately after that, he has called Home Minister Amit Shah and he asked him to move towards Kashmir Valley and take all sorts of measures, and security review meeting should be conducted. And immediately after that, we came to know that Prime Minister skipped dinner by Saudi Arabia Prince, and he flew back to India today. What is expected that there can be cabinet committee for security meet, and we have seen that during this meeting, it appears that Prime Minister is going to take some firm and tough stand. Maybe the stand will be to the strategy of hitting them hard like Pakistan and Pak proxies and hurting them most. That because the similar kind of a strategy was visible during 2016 also, when Uri attack was carried out. Immediately after that, there was a surgical strike and many of those training camps were targeted across the border. And even during 2019 Pulwama bombing also, we saw a similar kind of a paradigm shift in the military strategy when the Indian Air Force was able to penetrate deep inside the Pakistani territory, and that time they were able to decimate and demolish Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters. It appears that this time also similar kind of a strategy will be devised, that they will try to hit them hard so that they are not going to forget this kind of a message and a strong strike from the Indian side. So so all eyes will be on the CCS meeting, which will be held today evening. That will be chaired by Prime Minister, and during that meeting,
well, that
Amit Shah
all
as
the
well
more
as the Foreign
questions.
Minister.
Were there any coincidences or not? But however, the very moment and the day when the Vice President of the United States is currently in India, the Prime Minister of India was on a high-profile visit, a state visit to Saudi Arabia on a 2-day visit. He had to cut short and he's returned home. The first pictures that are now coming in.